All right, boys. Hope finals went well. Everything like that. First, I want to apologize. It's getting out kind of late. Had some facility issues I had to take care of last week, and then I had to make a emergency flight out of town. And I just got back a couple days ago. Um, anyway, so I'm making this video for y'all. Um, gonna help us kind of maneuver through everything. A lot of returners have seen this before, but our freshmen have never seen this before, so I want to make sure that they're ready to go and everything, and they know what they're doing. So first off, you got three sheets here. You got a roster sheet. Okay. Now on the roster sheet, you got all our names here. Got our pictures up top, and all our position guys down here at the bottom. Now, if you see a number that doesn't look right for your name, you can come over here and adjust it if you need to. I know Noah ain't doing 405, but if you need to adjust something, you can adjust something, and it'll affect all the sheets, and you'll be fine. So, the other tab, you got a winner, your winner program here, and then on the third tab, you have a bunch of like thoracic type mobility stuff to help y'all out through everything. So, anyways, get to the program. All right, so first off, find your name. You just come up here, click this little name box, click the little drop down arrow, and you can come through here and find your name. Okay, so you click your name, it changes all the numbers here. You can see all these changed, all these have changed as well. Okay, so starting off, it's going to be kind of a shitty next couple weeks for y'all. All right, you got day 1, day 2, and day 3. You got week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. Okay, so you got 4 weeks within this program. You go down, not across. I got it color coded for y'all so you know what day is what or what week is what. All right, so starting off. Day 1, you got clean pulls. Okay, we've been doing those for a little bit now. You got 4 sets of 3 on those. Each week, I'd like to see you increase your weight a little bit. It doesn't have to be a lot, but just make sure that we're pulling from the ground nice, quickly, and powerful. Okay. In between that, okay, these supersets, we're going to superset it. So you did 3 clean pulls. Okay, choose 1 or 2 thoracic mobilities from the sheet for each set. So you go over here to thoracic mobility, find something that you feel like needs to be done or it needs to be improved. Sorry guys, getting text. Find something that needs to be improved, something that needs to be worked on, grab that and superset it with each set here. All right. Once we're done with that, we're going to move on to the sucky part. Okay. You got 3 sets of 3 at 80%. Okay. You're going to be doing eccentric focus for these 2 weeks here. Okay. So when you do a squat, okay, or a bench or a deadlift, okay, you're going to, once you're at the top of the lift, you're going to count 5 seconds down to the bottom of the lift and you're going to stand up. Okay, each set. Okay, 5 seconds down, stand up. 5 seconds down, stand up. Okay, for 3, for 3, for 3. Okay, so make sure we follow the tempos. It's not 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we stand up. Okay, and make sure we get the catches up on your. If you're squatting, make sure we get the catches up. For benching, make sure you get catches up. Deadlifting, you're fine. Just for your safety. Okay. With their hip extensions, lateral split squats, kneeling overhead presses, and single arm lat pull downs, you're going to do the same thing. You get 2 sets of 5. Okay. So hip extension, you got 5 seconds down or 5 seconds down each rep. 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 Okay. Same thing all the way through. Now on the single arm lat pull downs, okay, it says 5 seconds up. You're going to pull all the way down, 5 seconds all the way up to full extension on each rep, okay? The reason why we only got 2 sets here is just for time's sake. Okay, it's going to take you a little while to get everything done. All right, so you're going to do that for 2 weeks. Okay, 2 weeks here, 2 weeks, 2 weeks, 2 weeks, 2 weeks. Okay, then we get into the isometric phase. Okay, now with this, you're going to squat all the way down to a parallel position. You're going to hold for 3 seconds at that bottom position, then we stand up. Hold for 3 seconds, and we stand up. Okay, same thing at the on our accessory stuff. So when you extend up, hold it for 3 seconds, and then we're down. Okay, hold it for 3 seconds, then we're down. Lateral split squats. Hold it for 3 seconds at the bottom, and we stand up. Overhead presses. Hold for 3 seconds at a 90-degree position, and then we press. Single arm lat pull downs. Hold for 3 seconds at that tight position, and then we go up. Okay. Day 2, we got box jumps. Okay, nothing crazy here. 4 sets of 3. You pick your height on all that. Now, when we get to the isometric phase, we're going to add weight or we're going to add height to it. Okay, so you're going to hold that position, and then we're going to jump there. Okay, so with this, we don't have to worry about tempos or anything like that. With the eccentric focus, no tempos here. I just want you to add weight or add height on our jumps. Okay. So with a bench press, you're going to hold just above your chest, and then you're going to press for those 3-second holds there. Okay. Same thing here. You're going to hold right above your chest for 3 seconds, and then press. All right. So we get down to our auxiliary stuff. Same thing, 3 seconds down, then we press. Single on dumbbell row, 5 seconds down, then we press. Banded pistol squats, 5 seconds down, sit, stand up. Nordic leans, 5 seconds down, and then we come back up. Now, if you don't have a partner for these Nordic leans, okay, you can use these on like a hamstring curl. So you pull in and then 5 seconds out. Okay. We get to the isometric focus here. Incline press. Okay. Hold for 3 seconds at the bottom, and then we press. Single arm dumbbell row. Hold for 3 seconds on that pull, and then release. Banded pistol squats. We're going to hold 3 seconds just above where you sit down, and then sit and stand up. And then the Nordic leans, if you have a partner, hold that position where you feel like you're going to fall for 3 seconds and then fall and then come back up. Now, if you don't have that, we can do like you don't have a partner, we can do the hamstring curls, and you hold for 3 seconds at that curl and then release. All right, day 3, rotational throws. Okay, we know how to do these rotational throws. On the last 2 weeks, we want to increase our weight. Okay. On each set, choose a thoracic mobility from each sheet, or you can do the rainbows that we've done in the past. I know that's not on the sheet, but you can add that. With deadlift, you pull, 5 seconds down. Pull, 5 seconds down. Now here with the isometric phase, you pull, pause at the knee for 3 seconds, and then we release. Pull, lower it down, pause at the knee for 3, and then we release. Okay. Bulgarian split squats, 5 seconds down, 3 second hold at the bottom position, and then release. RDL, 5 seconds down. RDL, hold it right about the knee and then release. Chest supported T's, 5 seconds down. On these, we want to do a 3 second hold at the very top and then release. Tricep push downs, okay, 5 seconds up as we come up, and then a 3 second hold at the very bottom. So when you press on the tricep push downs, hold for 3 seconds and then release. Okay. And then at the end of your workouts, you have the core of your choice, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. You pick it. If you don't know what some of these exercises are, look it up on YouTube. If you can't find it on YouTube, please text me or call me. We can do FaceTime and work it through together. But other than that, I know we don't have two different workouts for pitchers and position guys. I figured for time's sake, for me, with 19 teams, I just threw everything together that will benefit both positions, pitchers and position guys. And then when we get into season, we'll split it off again. So based upon these workouts. So if you got any questions, call me, text me, and hopefully you guys did great on finals, and hopefully you have safe travels for the holidays. And I'll see you when you get back. All right.